In the Forex market, one of the most common aspects of trading is the interest charged or paid, known as a swap. This interest is incurred when you hold a position overnight and is based on the interest rate differences between the two currencies in the pair you're trading. However, there's an alternative for those who want to trade without swaps: swap-free accounts, also known as Islamic accounts. Swap-free accounts are specifically designed for traders who, for religious or ethical reasons, prefer not to pay or receive interest on their trades. These accounts are particularly significant for those following Islamic law, which prohibits any form of gain through interest, a practice referred to as riba. However, these accounts are not limited to Muslim traders. Anyone interested in avoiding swaps can opt for this type of account. How do these accounts work? The primary difference from standard accounts is that no swap charges are applied when you hold positions overnight. Instead, brokers often charge a fixed commission or adjust the spreads to compensate for the lack of swap revenue. This means that while there are no interest charges, the overall trading costs might be slightly higher compared to standard accounts. Swap-free accounts are ideal for long-term trading strategies, such as swing trading or position trading, where positions are held for days, weeks, or even months. Without swaps, traders can avoid the additional costs that typically accumulate when holding trades for extended periods. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, not all brokers offer swap-free accounts, so it's important to research and choose a reliable broker that provides this option. Secondly, the terms and conditions for these accounts can vary between brokers. Some may limit the duration for which positions can remain open without swaps or impose additional fees to balance the costs. It's also essential to understand that swap-free accounts do not eliminate trading risks. While they allow you to avoid overnight interest charges, you're still exposed to market fluctuations and the inherent risks of Forex trading. Proper risk management remains crucial to protect your capital. In conclusion, swap-free accounts provide an attractive alternative for traders who want to trade Forex without incurring interest charges. While they come with some differences in terms of operational costs and conditions, they can be a powerful tool for those pursuing long-term trading strategies or adhering to ethical or religious principles. Researching, selecting a reliable broker, and understanding the implications of this account type are essential steps to maximize its benefits.